You still want to create your videos using Grok? What if I tell you there's a free way you can still use Grok without paying anything for it? So now, in this particular video, I'm here to show you how to go about it step by step. Take a look at sample of what we are going to be creating in this video.
Hey creators, welcome back. This is Kingsley from Bless Channel. Today I'm showing you how to generate realistic AI studio photos completely free. Here are some of the amazing images I've already created. And the trust part, you can do this step by step without spending a dime.
So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast Channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So now what you're going to do is just to head over to this website. Just head over to this particular website you are seeing here, or what you can just do is just go to your Google and search for robot. Yes, it's just search for RoboNeo AI. Just search for this RoboNeo AI. Then once you search for it, you can just click on the first link you're seeing here and it's going to bring you over to this page. So now once you're here, this is how the interface looks like. What you're going to do is just click on login. You need to log in with your account. So I'm going to be logging in with my Google account. So just pick a Google account you want to log in with. So I'm just going to log in with the Google account. So you just click on continue. So once that is done, it's going to take you to your account. So you can see here is how the interface of the page looks like. So once you're here, the next thing you're going to do is now you're going to just close here. The next thing you're going to do, just accept these cookies. Now next thing you're going to do, you'll see different options over here. So what you're going to just do, you are going to head over to where you have new project and click see new project, or you can click on workflow. Once you click on workflow, you will see what others and inspiration of what others have done so far. Well, let me just click on new project. So once you click on new project, you see all this and you also see workflow here. So what you're going to just do is just click on the workflow and it's going to load up your canvas for you. I forgot to tell you, once you create a new account, you'll be given 70 coins, like 70 carrots. We call it carrots over here. So you'll be given 70 carrots to use and work. Now let me show you. I'll be showing you how to get more coins to use and do your work for free. So now let me just once you're going to do, I'm just going to rescale this so that it will be, and then I'm going to select all. What I'm going to now do is just select all and just click on delete. So and I have a blank page. So now here I'm just going to see new. So once you click on the new, there you see different models, options you can choose to, and decide to do this. I'm going to just close this. You see image prompts. So we are not really working with image right now. So of course this under the video prompts, you can just close this and you see more other options too. But right now we are focusing on the image to video aspect. So I'm going to now click on this, and once I click on that, it's going to add a layer for me here. So now once it adds a layer for you, in case, let's say for example this layer is not there, you can actually bring it in. You can add it here. Now let's say I want to add text to image generation. Let me say text to image. Once I add that, it's going to bring it here. So now you can see each of them is adding it to here. So now you can see now this one is text to image and this one is, so now under the yes, it says the text to image to music. So I can now from here click and drag this to the video. So that's just how to go about it. But for now I'm not going to be, so I'm going to be deleting the whole of this. I'm also going to delete this. So my focus is on this particular tool. What I'm going to do is, so on this side where we have the image, I'm going to click here and bring in the image I want to make use of. So I'm going to just scroll down here and get the image I want to make use of. Okay, let me say I want to make use of this particular image. I'll now bring it here and allow it to load. So while this is uploading, what I'm going to do, you can see on this side of the prompt, on this text, that's where we are going to add the prompts to. So I'm going to just click here and add in my prompt what I want it to say. Now Here is what I just say add body movement and it should say this. So I now brought in the text I wanted to say. So once I'm done with that, now you can see we have this. Now I can from here. Once you scroll down here, you scroll down a little. So once you scroll down, you will see Grok over here. You can see you have Grok here. So we also have the under the seedens one. This one too. We also, but this one will consume lower credits. Also, this one too will also consume lower credits. If you want to use claim, you can also see the credits for in case you want to use claim. So for Grok, this is it. What I'm going to just do is just to click on this, and then you can see we have this, and I can duration. I can set it to let's say 15, and I'm using 15 too. So I just want to make use of the whole. Then you can set your image path. Best you use this, then you can click on run. So once you do that, it's going to generate your video for you. So you can see it's generating. So before now, what I did was there's something a little trick I did. The cost of the video was 75 carrots, and I was having 70 carrots already. So what I did was to just is for you to come over here and come to where you have your invite friends. Once you come to invite friends, you copy your invitation code. Once you copy your invitation code, you just go probably use another browser. I use another browser to do that. I now went to another browser and create an account using a different email address. So if you have multiple email address, let's say you have like up to 10 email address, definitely you would get like 10 email address. We did about 500 carrots extra. So now once you sign up an account, maybe create an account with a different new email address, what you're just going to do is just to come over to where you have this redeem invitation code. Then you now paste the invitation code over here. Once you paste the invitation code, you now click on confirm. So once you've done that, it's going to tell you redeemed. Once it's redeemed, you come over to your dashboard and you will load your own from your own dashboard. You will see the carrots be added. You'll be given extra 50 carrots for you to use and work. So that's just how to go. So you can get more carrots to generate more videos when you invite new. So that this is just a trick I'm just trying to tell you. You can invite your friends to join the platform and also experience how it looks like. Then once you do that and they redeem, you give them your invitation code and they redeem the code, you are definitely going to have 50 carrots added to your account to use and work. So you can see my video has finished generating. So let me play it and see how it looks like. Let me play it in full and see.
Hey creators, welcome back. This is Kingsley from Bless Channel. Today I'm showing you how to generate realistic AI studio photos completely free. Here are some of the amazing images I've already created. And the trust part, you can do this too by steps without spending a dime.
So you can see this is what it has generated. It's better I do even add background pictures to make the video look much more interesting. So I really enjoy this, and if you can see, we have the download button here. You can just download the video if you are okay with what it produced, and you can also find here, you can see download here. So you can see how I was able to generate still using Grok. So now you can also check other model, try out other models and see, like you can try this sequence and see how it looks like. You can see this one's why I say so, because they have quite a lower coins to generate, lower carrots to generate. So you can try them out and see how the quality. I haven't tried them on my own end, but I'll try them out and see how it will look like for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.